please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, Allah's messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Do you know what backbiting is?" The companions, may Allah be pleased with them, said, "Allah and his messenger know better." He then said, "Backbiting is talking about others, in a way they do not like." Someone said to the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, "What if I am telling the truth about the person?" The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, replied, "If you are telling the truth, then it is backbiting, but if you are lying, then it is slander." This narration is found in Sahih Muslim, number 6593. Do not say bad things about other people in front of their face, or behind their back. Backbiting is a big sin. The Holy Quran compared it to eating the skin of a dead body. If the bad thing you say is true, it is backbiting. If it is a lie, it is called slander. Slander is worse, because the thing you say is a lie, and a bad thing. Before you speak about others, first think, is it something you would say to the person's face? If you wouldn't, then don't say it behind their back. If you hate someone, saying something in front of your face, or behind your back, then do not say that thing in front of someone else, or behind their back, either. Meaning, treat other people how you want them to treat you.